All right, so with the watches, you pretty much can get multiple cuts out of each of the phone size pieces, whether it's privacy or classic or matte or anti-microbe, any of the films. You want to use the phone blank for this, and it will cut multiples. So you'll just go right here, tap watch. So you'll see Garmin, you'll see Apple, Samsung, Huawei, all kinds of different ones. So we're going to choose this one here. We have an Apple Watch here, and we're going to choose this Series 5 44 millimeter. And you can see a preview of what it's going to cut. So you're loading in the phone film just like you did for the phones, and then you send that cut job to the printer or cutter. So you're going to see it's a little bit different on the application for watches. Normally you would have in the center the split on the back film. So you're going to really only get that while using the phone film in the two in the middle. And sometimes on the ones on the outside, you're not going to have that slit to actually give you to fold it back like we've been showing you for pretty much everything else. So here's what we get. We get these 6 cutouts. So it's better to cut it on this because you're actually saving some money instead of cutting it on a specific smaller one that we could have developed. But I'll show you kind of the worst case scenario is the one without the split. So let's just go ahead and take that out for a moment. On these, after you make sure that, again, the screen is smudge-free, oil-free, you're not going to have the alignment to actually work on this. So you've got to line it up correctly the first time. So you're just basically going to peel off that tacky layer, which is the alignment. Like this here. And you want to definitely make sure, one thing I failed to mention, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, because if you're going to be touching the actual screen film. But it's pretty easy to line it up because it's such a small piece there. The next piece is going from the very center outward, like that, and like that. And then using your finger to press the edges, and then finally removing this outside layer and working out any residual bubbles. So I'll show this to you, and then I'll show you the best case scenario. So it's really easy because it's such a small screen. So we'll get that off there. And then we'll choose one that actually does have the slit, just to show you the difference. So you'll be able to line it up with this. If you get it wrong, you can again peel it back up with just the 2 in the middle. And then you take the squeegee, get that started, bring it back, and it's just like a mini phone. So we're going to flip it, bring that back here. I'm going to go ahead, work from the inside out, and then again use your finger around the edge. So that's really the only difference in that. But again, you're basically getting multiple cuts with your one sheet, so we definitely recommend using this. And there you go.